All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our website project. Now, I did make one last update to our home landing page. Let me get that pulled up now so I can show you exactly what we're working with. Now, everything is still the same. I haven't changed anything previously. It's just an addition that we're going to be attempting to add. So, let me get that pulled up for you now. And just to give you a quick heads up, I haven't done any back end work before for like client side applications. All of the databases that I work with are usually pine cones, and those are for large language models and AI models. So I haven't really done anything concerning client side or back end storages. So this is gonna be my first time attempting to do something like that. Now let me show you exactly why that we're going to do that. As you can see here, I added a review section to our page. Now this is where customers or even visitors to the website can come and leave reviews for the website here. As you can see here, your name. I'll just put something in, and then I'll leave a review. We'll go ahead and save it. And as you can see, it's saved. But once I leave the screen and come back, it isn't saved at all. Now I can actually make it save to my local storage, but that would be defeating the purpose because you wouldn't be able to see it on my local device. So I have to build a completely different back-end server that's going to store all of our reviews centrally. This way, all of the clients or whoever visits the website can actually see all the reviews and leave reviews, and that'll be applicable to everyone. So yeah, that's going to be a journey in itself. Like I said, I haven't done this backside of the client application before. This is my first time trying it. I can probably have my agent build it for me, but since I've never done it before, I want to try to tackle it myself first, so I can see how exactly what's going on, what goes into it, and what it takes. And then if I run into too much of an issue, I'll have my agent step in and handle the rest. Like I said, this is the first time I'm trying something like this, so I'm interested to see how it goes. We're going to be building a back-end server that's going to handle all of our reviews and save them to a central location where all of the visitors to the website can come and view the reviews and actually leave reviews. So that's going to be the next step of the process. And again, once that is done, that'll be the last piece of the landing page here, and we're definitely going to start focusing on the free demo. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.